Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody is trying to put like a half of a baseball player on the bottom of a shirt. It is a pretty cool idea. And they asked me what's the best way to do it. I'm going to make a duplicate of this and move it over. There's actually three ways that I know of that you could do it. One of them, this is a vector curve. I'm going to left click, right click. This is how I would probably normally do it. I'm going to take a 2-point line and go right there, and then take my Smart Fill tool, set on whatever color you want, and fill that in. And then we're lower than the bat, so that's not going to work. We need the bat in there. So let's Smart Fill it again. Now you have a graphic of that baseball player. We can bring it over to our shirt, and I'm thinking this is what they were wanting to do. Pretty cool idea, have it to the bottom of the shirt, and then you would just bring it in to the bottom when you print it. And it looks like a baseball player. The other two ways to do it would be to use the weld tool or some of the weld tools. Let's make a rectangle, and we're going to take a rectangle and put it like right there. Then we're going to select both these, and we're going to go to intersect, and that put a half of a baseball player. Or take the box and put it over here and select them both and trim it with the weld tool, and that takes out that bottom section. So you get the same look three different ways. Most of the time will forget about doing it this way, and I'll just left click, right click. And this is actually a little bit more time consuming maybe, but you fill that in with black, and the Smart Fill tool actually creates a new object. So we got three objects doing the same thing. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.